Hey, third graders, we are going to start by reviewing our targets for this word study unit. When suffixes are added to the end of a root word, it changes the meaning of the root word and it changes the part of speech. So when Y is added to the root word sweat, it changes to sweaty, which is an adjective or a describing word. When the suffix ly is added to the root word wrong, it makes the word wrongly, which is a different part of speech. This is an adverb. If the suffix ily is added to the root word, for example, happy to happily, that also changes to an adverb. You will need your highlighters for the next part of this assignment. We are going to start with the yellow highlighter and look for words with the suffix y that have been added to the root word or the base word. For example, in the word misty, mist is the root or base word and the suffix y has been added to it. Rainy is another example that has the suffix y added to the word rain. Sunny is another example of a word that has the suffix y added to the end of it. Next, we are going to look for root or base words that have the suffix ly added to the end. For example, clear is the root or base word. It ends with the suffix ly. We are going to use our blue highlighter to mark these words. Another example would be dimly. The root or base word is dim, and it has the suffix ly added to the end of it. Quickly is another example on this page. Others are slowly, quietly, and loudly. Last, we're going to look for root or base words that have the suffix ily added to the end. We are going to highlight these words in green. So angrily and noisily are some of the examples on this page. Easily and happily are some other examples. Another example on this page would be the word lazily. Third graders, you are going to complete the other two similar pages in your packet the same way. You are going to highlight words with the suffix y at the end with your yellow highlighter. You're going to highlight words with the suffix ly with your blue highlighter and highlight words that have the suffix ily added to the end of them with your green highlighter. So you have two additional pages to complete. You have the next page in your packet, which begins with the words badly and ordinarily, and the other one, which begins with the words breezy and hungrily. When you're finished, save your word study packet in your reading folder. And remember to be on target today.